how to transfer Monopoly Go account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can transfer Monopoly Go account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To transfer your Monopoly Go account, you have to link your game to Facebook, Google or Apple ID. To do that, once you launch Monopoly Go, tap the three lines or the menu icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And when you do that, you will see these options. Go to the option called Settings. From Settings, go to the option called Manage Account. From Manage Account, you can see I have actually already connected my account to Facebook as well as Google. So if you haven't done so, make sure to tap on this Connect button. On your newer device, just open up Monopoly Go, come to the same tab and just reconnect with your Facebook or Google account, however you had actually backed it up on the previous account. And this way you can easily transfer your Monopoly Go account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.